Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hello YouTube, this is Vasi here and today we are going to unbox the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. So here it is, Infinix Hot 7 Pro. The front side of the box, the side and the back. So here are all of its specifications. The memory is 4 GB and the storage is 64 GB. It has a battery capacity of 4000 mAh. Operating system is Android 9 Pie. There are two front cameras, a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel. It also has a front flashlight, and on the rear camera we have the same specs. So it has a 6.2-inch full view display. CPU is octa-core. So let's open it. So here is the mobile itself. So other things in the box include your SIM injection tool, your user manual, and also a back plastic cover to protect the smartphone. Here we have the charger to charge the smartphone. Its output is 5V 2A, a USB to micro USB cable, and usual headphones. So here is the mobile itself. On the front you have the LED flash, the 2 megapixel camera and the 13 megapixel camera. On the back you have the Hot branding, the fingerprint sensor, the cameras along with the dual LED flash. On the side you have the on off button and the volume up and down keys. On the bottom you have the 3.5mm headphone jack and the speakers. On the left side you have the SIM slot. So let me just pull it off using the ejection tool. So here it is, you have a full size SIM slot, a nano SIM slot, and a micro SD card slot. So you have total of 3 slots. So let me power it on. Here it is, you can see the display quality of it. Now if I want to go to settings, I'm going to swipe down from top and press the settings icon. Here if I go down to system, it will show the operating system is 10 OS, Cheetah version v5.0, Android 5 Pie, Android 9 Pie, and all the other settings you can see. If I go to display and on the bottom notch, if I press on self adaptation it will show the notch, and if I go to full it will not show the notch and the upper side of the screen will become black. So the camera, the backside camera, different modes of it: AI, beauty, bokeh, and AR shot. In bokeh you have the portrait effect like the DSLR one, in which the background is blurred and the subject is in focus. Here is the picture size. There is a 13 megapixel camera, as you can see. So anyways guys, this was a quick unboxing of the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions, write them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching this video.